Welcome back to another video, guys. This time another STI video. Guess what day it is? If you know what day it is, you already know I'm excited for the day because it's finally gonna happen. The car is finally gonna get tuned. Well, not today, tomorrow, but the car is finally gonna be tuned on E85. So I'm super excited. Right now I just got the car up on the quick, what are they called, the little small ramps. Got the diffuser taken off because they need to hook up the straps. And also I fixed my Tomei. Fixed a little bit of more of the sag. So now it's like a lot closer to the bumper and a little more straight. So it freaking looks good. I honestly want to pick up the dual exhaust Tomei one. If it fits like this one does, kind of tucked in a little bit and not sticking out all weird, then yeah, it's gonna look sick. So let me know if I should pick it up just to see how it sounds and show you guys how it sounds. I might just stick with the single Tomei because it's freaking loud, but I don't know. I might like the dual. Plus that side needs to be filled in. I was thinking of getting an ABS plastic and just kind of adding it there, just to cover it, because the diffuser kind of looks like a big old open hole right here. But I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, here's the diffuser. It's a little cracked, but it's on the bottom of the car, so it's okay. Plus the only parts you see is probably right here in the front. So yeah, I don't know. Do I recommend this diffuser? No. But since I paid for it, I might as well use it, right? So yeah, it's not hard to mount on the car, honestly. Like if you have a regular dual exhaust, like a regular catback one, the quad tip one, this will fit it perfectly. But yeah, the only reason it wasn't fitting is because down here I had to make a hole, which I did, and it looks good. But yeah, overall it's a good diffuser, but it does not fit with the Tomei that well. The closest you can get it, it leaves you a big old gap on this side, like I'm saying. So yeah, but yeah, took that off. Now it's ready for tomorrow. Just gonna look over some things on the intake and stuff. Check all the, make sure everything's nice and tight and not going anywhere. But honestly, yeah, car looks good. So I'm freaking excited, super excited. Can't wait to see how much power this car is gonna do on E85. Well, honestly, if we hit 500 and 500 torque, this car will be like this for a while. And I think I'll be pretty happy with 500 horsepower, and then might have to look into moving on from this car and seeing if I can get another daily. Seeing if I can get another project car for the channel. The WX is fine, but we can't really do anything to it other than wheels and stuff until the 60K mark hits on the car, so we can put the cob axle for. I'm just making sure everything's fine until then, because I definitely don't want to start modding it. But let's just go ahead and end it right here, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow when we're ready to go get this car tuned. So yeah, I'm excited, better be excited, and sheesh, yeah. Anyways, yeah, so let's go ahead and pick this video back up tomorrow morning, and I'll record everything I can for the dyno, and then we'll do some pulls, see how fast this car is. E85 happy. But yeah, a lot of people say it's gonna run so nice, so I'm excited, definitely super excited for this car, especially 500 horsepower on a net CI. That's a pretty good, decent amount of power, if you ask me. But yeah, let's just end this video right here, and we'll pick it up tomorrow morning, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right. Finally getting this car tuned. As you can see, I'm on my way now to get the car tuned on E85. I'm running 79 right now, so I'm gonna fill up a little bit more on E and see where that gets me. But yeah, let's just go ahead and do this thing. Let's hope we get some good numbers. And yeah, so let me just go ahead and get to the gas station, fill her up, and then we'll head on to the tune shop, and then we'll start recording the dyno. So yeah, all right, I'll catch you guys here in a couple seconds. better torque. Well, that didn't go as planned. But anyways, yeah, so we're back at home. The car was misfiring. Okay, the car was misfiring, so we had to stop. Um, Honestly, that sucks. But we already got some new coil packs, and they're already in the car. I believe that's what the problem was. We rechecked the spark plugs and make sure those are okay. They seem fine. We re-gapped them for E85, so yeah. I don't know. Well, hopefully it's just the coil packs. One of them was did have a rib boot, so maybe that was an issue. And then I don't know. It just kept moving around. It went from cylinder 1 to cylinder 2 to cylinder 4. It just kept moving around, so we just decided, we're gonna stop. Now the car is running good. We changed all the coil packs to some new ones, and like I said, we checked the spark plug. So yeah, everything's good. The car seems to be running fine right now. We did leave the boost up a little bit, so it does boost pretty good to 17 psi right now, but it does cut off because of the bass tune. But yeah, anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Sucks. I do have it rescheduled for October, the end of the month. So yeah, we'll be trying this out again. If it does fail again, then I'm gonna have to change those spark plugs. Other than that, I don't really think there's nothing else I can think of. The engine is literally brand new. It was running fine with 91. It's just that E85 is a harder gas to ignite. So yeah. So hopefully it's the coil packs, and if it's not, we'll do the spark plugs and try again, and we'll see what else we can do. Honestly, that's pretty much it, because we said everything. The fueling side was perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna double check again just to make sure the vacuum lines are good and everything. But right now the car's running fine. There is no more misfire. Before it misfired on cylinder 2 before you did the coil pack, so now it doesn't misfire. So hopefully that's what it is, and the car is capable of being tuned. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Sucks, but it happens. Can't really do anything. Yeah, so since I'm doing the dyno tune, I have to reschedule that, so it takes time. It's not like I could just go the next day or something. But yeah, I have it scheduled for the end of the month, so yeah, I'll be looking forward to it again. I just want to be done with the car and then just move on to other things, and done with the engine, and tuning. So that way I can have some more fun with it. I was having fun with it with 91, so I just wanted to see what E85 was all about. But yeah, it doesn't like E85. So but anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Sorry about the lack of video, but yeah, this happened last Friday, and I'm still barely finishing up recording this outro. Yeah, I didn't even know if I wanted to post it because it was kind of disappointing. But yeah, sucks. But anyways, yeah, so I'll be back at the end of the month, and we'll retune this car. So peace out.